Number 8 gives us a situation involving baseball. Among the career home run leaders for baseball, Hank Aaron has 175 fewer than twice the number that Dave Winfield has. They're talking about home runs here. Hank Aaron hit 755 home runs. Write an equation for this situation and find out how many home runs did Dave Winfield hit in his career. So we're going to let H equal the number of home runs Dave hit. So what is our equation going to be? Well, it says here that Hank Aaron has 175 fewer than twice the number Dave Winfield has. 75 fewer than. So when you see fewer than, that means we're going to start with the term after fewer than, right? So twice the number that Dave Winfield has, and we're going to subtract 175 from that. So what is twice the number that Dave Winfield has? Twice the number of home runs Dave Winfield has hit. We don't know how many home runs Dave Winfield has hit, which is why we created a variable for that. H is equal to number of home runs Dave has hit. So twice H, 2 times H, minus 175. Okay, and it also tells us that Hank Aaron has hit 755 home runs. So Hank Aaron has 175 fewer than twice the number that Dave Winfield has. And it also tells us that Hank Aaron has hit 755 home runs. So we can go ahead and take this, turn it into an algebraic expression, and set it equal to 755. Let's go ahead and do that. 2H minus 175 is equal to 755. Now that we have our equation, we can solve for H, which is the number of home runs Dave hit, which is what the question is asking from us. So let's start by rewriting the equation. We can add 175 to both sides of the equal sign. We'll get 2H on one side, because negative 75 plus positive 175 is equal to 0. And 755 plus 175, well, let's go ahead and add those two together. 0, 3, 9. Now we need to isolate H by dividing both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. H is equal to 930 divided by 2. It's 465. So what is H? H is the number of home runs Dave has hit. Right? So let's come back up here and let's put 465 home runs.